I've been trading since I was 18 years old, and I have been exclusively trading Bitcoin. So I decided to create a guide for you, the beginner, to grasp the fundamentals of Forex trading and technical analysis. All right, that's the charts and all this stuff that people are so, scared of. Throw all that out the window. Throw all that out the window. There's no need to be scared. All right, there is no need to be scared. Why? Because I said so. All right, so welcome. This might be how you're feeling, but fret not. I'm here to help you. Okay, like I said, this presentation is for the hard things to be easy. I want you to think of Forex like a global game, all right, where people from all over the world are trading currencies from all over the world, all right? Or you can look at this example that I have below. Forex is like a global game where people trade money from different countries, okay? Now, in order to understand day trading, the game, right? It's a skill, but if I'm telling you, think of Forex like a game, you win at the game by trading your bill when the other bill that you're trading it for is at a higher or lower value, because that's how you're making your profit. All right. So that is when you develop the skill of reading and predicting where price will or will not be. All right. Now, day trading, the skill, allows you to actively grow your money by taking advantage of the small fluctuations in price difference. Okay. Whether you take a buy or sell position, you can still make bread. All right. Day trading is the skill that allows traders to buy and sell financial instruments, which we call our currency pairs, currencies, or stocks, fiat, whatever you want to call it. All right. They're financial instruments. And the skill of day trading allows you to buy and sell financial instruments all within a day. Within this day, you can place an order, you can edit an order, you can close an order, you can close it in profit, and you can close it while you're not in profit, right? You need to build your skill, because the better the skill is, the more bread you make. Okay, I'm just going to be honest with you. All right. And okay, I won't say the more bread you make, because that's going to give you the wrong idea. But I want you to think like that, right? The better you are, money will just appear. You see what I'm saying? People that chase the money when it comes to this skill, we're all looking to make money, right? But we're not chasing money. Okay. Traders earn profit, as I said, from prices fluctuations. Okay. As price is changing, you're going to make money in that change. You're going to buy it when it's low before it goes up to then sell when it's high, because it's going to go down. What makes a trader profitable? One who truly understands market trends and price movement. Okay. And we will be going over all of that within the next series of videos. All right. Now, this is going to be our segue into understanding technical analysis and what the basis of technical analysis is. Everything requires structure, all right? And you want to understand your basic structure levels in the market. This will help you break everything down, all right? I want you to think of the market, as a ceiling and a floor, all right? This is you. This is you. This is the market, and this is the education. All right. We're going to break it down very simple. Don't overthink it. Let's keep going. All right. Support levels. Okay. Your support levels are floors or zones in the market where buyers, people that see that price is now very low, are now ready to step in and buy, Because guess what? Every time price is low, we want to buy. And every time price is high, we want to sell. All right. If you decide to buy at the same time as this man right here, right? You decide to buy at the same time as him, there's a high chance price is going to go up because he seems like he knows what he's talking about, right? How do we know when? How do we know what time to buy or sell? When price is low, we buy. When price is high, we sell. Okay? Let's keep it moving. All right, let's keep going. It's not difficult. This is the floor of the market, the bottom of the market, okay? Your resistance levels, okay? Resistance levels are your ceiling. It is a zone or area in the market where you have sellers that are like, oh yeah, it was high this time last year, bet, sell that. And they're going to sell their shares, right? Which they have a lot of, which is what causes price to fall. All right. It causes the value to fall because they're selling. And they're all selling at the same time because they have that skill of knowing when the high is and when the low is, or where the high is and where the low is. Okay. So if you decide to sell with them, with other sellers, there's a high chance that price will go down, which means that's how you're going to get your profit. Okay. As a day trader, because you're just a trader that trades every single day. Whether you take a position or not, you're marking up the chart every single day. You can be a buyer or a seller any day, but it's about what you're seeing at that current moment. At this current moment, is price low or is price high? How do you know that? Based off of previous highs and lows, which we will go over another time. All right. So we are going to get you started with a TradingView account. I want you to go ahead and go to your app store. Okay, this is a free app that you can use and take advantage of. If you do not have the TradingView, or if you don't have a TradingView account already, I highly recommend that you go create one. You can do it online. You can do it on your phone. I have the app and I prefer to trade online on my computer, but I can trade on the app as well. So it's really good for the versatility. But essentially what TradingView is, right, is basically a instinctual view. Okay. It's a view, a bird's eye view that is created from charts and lines and all these things, right? Just like how you see this heart monitor going up, this is how it displays prices data, okay? And so you will be able to easily catch these highs. You'll be able to easily catch these lows because you can see it, right? Don't overthink this, right? I have visuals. Everything is set up at a certain time on purpose. So this is the end, but not quite. Okay. Like I said, I want you guys to go ahead and create that TradingView account. Okay. I'm going to put it in the description box below. All right. And we are going to get you started with doing exercises. That's going to be my next video. My curriculum is going to be very as you go based. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I have not a problem with answering any questions. They are welcome. So again, my name is Danny. You can see that right there. And I really, really appreciate your support. I appreciate your time. It means a lot to me because without you, this would not be possible.